Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on today's video. October is here, unlocking the new layers of the autumn multiverse. I will never stop being amazed by the variety of faces that autumn can show us. It can be a golden princess, warm and kind, with her eyes glowing like afternoon sun, with a crown of yellow leaves on her head and a ribbon necklace around her neck. It could be a dark queen, moody and mysterious, wearing the mossy green gown and a lacy mask made of spider webs. Another personality autumn could fit into would be a cheerful granny. She smells like apple pie and hot chocolate and will wrap a soft blanket around your shoulders. And this side of autumn I love the most. It is a time when the air from the open window brings in the earthy smells of fall, and the low October sun paints golden patches on the floor. It is a time when you can put on 2 pairs of socks and a favorite scarf and warm up hands with a cup of tea. As someone who spends most of the days at home, working from my little home studio, I find it important to notice the magic that fills the air during the change of the seasons, even if I can watch it only through my window. And it is equally important for me to appreciate the cozy little details of my home, and especially my working corner, that can spark joy and fuel inspiration. And today I will not just be sharing the October vibes with you, but I would like to invite you to my little sanctuary and show a glimpse of the place where I do most of my watercolor magic. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. And if you like my art and want to support me, you can find a link to my shop in the description below. I'm wishing you a lovely day, and I hope to see you soon again. Goodbye.